Hey, welcome to Artistic Documentation. Today I will show you that how to design a resume as a professional things with some project details and some multiple categories of your learning and your projects and your accomplishment and the capability all over the graduation time. During the graduation time, basically in our college life we are working, or we have worked a lot of project, and some of is very relevant and some of them are really so irrelevant for our professional life. So we will engage or describe all of the things that we have done in our college life, and respectively we should discuss about a little bit and a turning point about our main project, or the which is really very focused on the primary project. So we should focus on them and just declare with a short note. So here you can see, first of all, in your CV you should give some of your contacts, like your number first of all, and next come to Gmail, then come to your professional account like Fiverr, GitHub, LinkedIn, and Slack and Stack Overflow. These types of account you should notice, and you should focus on your CV or resume. Then come about your experience, and here you can see, if you do not have any job currently, you should come up with your previous job experience, and here I have also done that. So you can see here. Then come to the job title, like what kinds of responsibility you have done in your previous old company, and if you do not have still done any job, so you should come up with your knowledge and ideas and with your basic regression, like about your project and what have you done and what is the main performance in this project. So you should describe about the things. And now come to the details, like you have working for a suppose you have working for a tree plantation project with some electrical things or Arduino based things. So how do you facilitate to the society with these electronic terms inside the agricultural field? So you should give some basic things and discuss a little bit about your project and what is the importance. Basically you should come up with this. Then I hope your resume will be important or notified for some reputed company, and they will look after all of the things, and they will hope so they will contact with you. I hope in this video you have seen multiple things that I have used overleaf, and I will give you some basic knowledge, or everything I will give you about that, what overleaf has done, and why should I make our resume inside the overleaf latex format. So now next continue. Here you can see the LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, homepage, location, mail address, phone number, email, everything I have detailed in my CV at the top of the CV. So you can see the basic things. First your name, then come to the your designation, like what about your studies, the subject, then come to the contact, then come to the experience, then project details, a day of your current life, your philosophy for the society, that how does you look about the society. Now come to the most proud of, like if you have any reward for a project or get any certificate, you should write down all of the things in your CV. Now strengths means that in all about your knowledge or works, what is the most efficient or a perfect knowledge for you? You should declare the things. Hope you have understand the most important things is to declare your strengths, like in which platform you can work very hard and know more about the things than the others. Now come to the language. It's efficiency of your vocal and the communication. Now come to the education, your college life, your schooling, everything, all details you can show here inside the resume. And now at the last of the resume, you should give some particular application for a random company, like that. Later, like, with due respect, sir, I have completed my courses, 4-year courses, blah blah, from a certified university, and so I have worked all of the things and I have little bit experience about these things. So if you can hire me, I will be facilitated or benefited for your company. So please give me a chance and oblige thereby. Like this types of application, you should attach in your CV at the last, all over the declaration. So this is all about this in the video, and hope you have learned something new. And I hope many of you are suffering for a new job after the corona problem. So hope you should make a good CV or resume, and I hope many of the tutorial I will make on this topic. Hope so if any one of the video will make your CV or your optimization level is high. So thanks for visiting us. So bye bye for this video.